I paid $800 for a pixie cut, and it only lasted 3 days. Now, my first red flag is she specializes in people with like alopecia, traction alopecia, hair loss. She also does not, you cannot post your pictures until she posts them first because she needs to edit them. Long story short, I just end up shaving my head and going bald.
Let's pause right there because this situation highlights several serious issues that can happen in the beauty industry when expectations and transparency are not clear. In this case, the client paid $800 for a pixie cut service and even flew from Houston to another city to see this stylist. That already tells us this stylist had built a reputation as a specialist. But the first red flag appeared before the service even started. The stylist required clients to sign an NDA, meaning they could not talk publicly about their experience. While contracts are common in business, requiring secrecy around salon services should always make clients ask more questions. When the client arrived for her appointment, the stylist was not there yet. Instead, she was told that an assistant would begin the service. However, the client had not even had her consultation with the stylist yet. That's a major concern, especially for a major haircut like a pixie, where the consultation is critical. During the prep stage, the assistant recommended a relaxer, even though the client had already told the stylist beforehand that she did not want one. This is a serious communication breakdown. When the stylist finally arrived, the client felt that the stylist was frustrated that the assistant had not already started the service. Another issue was transparency. The stylist reportedly used hair fibers and special styling products to create the final look. However, those details were not clearly explained ahead of time, and the client later realized that maintaining the style required purchasing several additional products. There were also restrictions about posting photos. Clients could not post their own pictures of their hair until the stylist edited and posted them first. All of these things combined created a situation where the client felt misled about what she was actually paying for. In the end, the style did not last the way she expected, and the experience left her so frustrated that she ultimately decided to shave her head and start fresh. Now let's talk about how a professional hairstylist should handle a situation like this. First, the consultation must come first. Before any assistant touches the client's hair, the stylist must confirm the haircut plan, the client's hair condition, whether chemicals like relaxers are needed, the client's lifestyle and maintenance expectations, especially with a pixie cut, because once the hair is cut, there is no going back. Second, transparency about products. If a hairstyle relies on tools like hair fibers, styling fillers, specialty maintenance products that must be clearly explained before the service. Clients should understand exactly what is creating the final result. Third, honest marketing. Professional stylists should never create unrealistic expectations through heavy editing, filters, or temporary cosmetic solutions that are not disclosed. Clients deserve to see what the hair actually looks like in real life. Fourth, respect for the client's choices. If a client says they do not want a relaxer or chemical service, that decision must be respected. Stylists can educate clients, but the final decision always belongs to the person wearing the hair. And finally, price must match transparency and experience. Charging premium prices means delivering a premium consultation, premium communication, and premium honesty. If this breakdown helped you understand salon professionalism better, make sure you like and subscribe for more real salon education, and follow Stylist Factory as we produce the century's best hairstyles.